Hey, so if Canva Docs feels slow, laggy, or uh, just not responding properly, yeah, that can really mess up your workflow. But don't worry, there are some simple fixes that can speed things up pretty quickly. I'll walk you through them step by step, so let's get into it. First, check your internet connection. Canva Docs runs in the cloud, so a slow or unstable connection can cause lag and delays. Next, close any extra browser tabs or apps you're not using. Yeah, too many open tabs can slow down your system and affect Canva performance. Now try clearing your browser cache and cookies. This helps remove temporary data that might be causing slowdowns. Make sure you're using a supported and updated browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari. Older browsers can struggle with Canva Docs. Also, browser extensions like ad blockers or heavy plugins can slow things down. Try disabling them temporarily and see if performance improves. If your document is really large with lots of images or elements, it can slow things down. Try removing or optimizing heavy content. Sometimes a simple refresh can fix temporary glitches. Just reload the page and continue working. If it's still slow, log out of Canva and log back in. Yeah, it can reset your session and fix performance issues. And yeah, sometimes Canva itself might be experiencing issues. Check their server status to see if there's an outage. So yeah, that's how you fix slow performance in Canva Docs. One of these steps should make things run much smoother. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.